Bruh, just go to Desmos is not going to help you on this problem, because if you don't have some sort of advanced piece of Desmos knowledge that I don't have, this question really can only be solved conceptually and mathematically. Let me show you a really tough question. I want you to stick with me because I know you can get it right if you work smartly. Question number 26. A circle in the xy plane has its center at -1, 1. Line T is tangent to this circle at the point 5, -4. Which of the following points also lies on line T? This is what we're going to do. I'm going to graph it first. We've got a center at -1, 1. We've got this point 5, -4. Something like this. And our circle is going to look, I don't know, something like this. I mean, this is a crappy circle, right? Now, I know that line T is tangent to this point. And the only way we can solve this is if we know that a tangent line is perpendicular to the radius at that point. Now, obviously, this is a bad radius because the center is like in the top left corner, so it doesn't even make any sense. If I can find the slope of this line, I can find the slope of this line by doing the negative reciprocal or opposite reciprocal. So what's the slope of this line? I'm going to do y2. I'm going to make this x2, y2. -4 minus 1 over 5 plus 1. Right, 5 minus -1, which is -5/6. That's just the slope formula. I suppose you could do a linear regression in Desmos. I think that's too much work on this problem, so you have to do it twice. The opposite reciprocal slope is +6/5. So now I have an equation for this line. I'm going to use point slope form. Y plus 4, y minus -4 is equal to the slope 6/5 x minus 5. I'm going to do a little bit of distribution. Y plus 4 is equal to 6/5 x minus 6, just multiplying. And then I'm going to subtract over the 4. Y equals 6 over 5x minus 10. Cool. Now I just need to figure out which point is going to work. I know it's not going to be A. That's an easy one, because if I plug in 0 for x, I'm not going to get 6/5 for y. I'll get -10. If I plug in 4, 6/5 times 4 is 24 over 5. Minus 10 is going to be negative. If I plug in 10, C, 6 times 10 is 60, divided by 5 is 12. 12 minus 10 is equal to 2, and it won't work for D. C is the best answer. This is an awesome question. Great work, and happy studying.